Sometimes when you slip on ice, there's repairs to be made. These repairs are the result of slipping on ice, submarining underneath a jacked up four-wheel drive truck where the bumper actually contacted the windshield.
All right, well, it looks pretty bad, but it's not as bad as what it could have been. And this is the part that we're gonna have to pull back out so that the new piece of glass will fit in here. So we're gonna use a slide hammer and do some body work on this one piece. I'm gonna maybe try to get a time lapse of it.
And this is where the bumper actually contacted the post there. And every time I do these fast motion kind of things, it kind of makes me think of the Benny Hill show, and that music should be going. But it's a one-person job, but I wanted to teach my son a little bit. So this is my son directing him how to use the slide hammer and getting it open and doing a little adjustments here and there. But pretty much I just wanted to show him one time, and then, all right, well, back to work, and let's get the rest of this done here, because it's going to take about half the day to get all these dents pulled out and welded back up and fixed. So this is the rest of it with no Benny Hill music playing whatsoever. I also wanted to mention that there's probably people out there, I'm sure, in YouTube land that are going, "What the heck is he doing?" And half a day, shoot, I could get that knocked out in about an hour. But it's been probably 20 years since I've done some body work, and so cut me some slack. I know there's experts out there that are probably going, "What the heck is he? What was he thinking doing that? That's just stupid." But if you're just a garage mechanic like I am and do it very, very infrequently, then maybe this is a pretty decent job. And I don't know, make some comments if you think it is, or even if you think that it isn't, make a comment, and I'll try to improve for next time. That's always a good thing.
Okay, so I've welded all of these up, and I can now begin to clean up all this. You have to make it look pretty terrible sometimes to get it back to good again. So now I'm going to start grinding it. Now do a little bit of grinding, and you might need to weld up a couple of little spots here and there that are really low, just to kind of fill in some metal. I know it still looks pretty rough right now, still, but at least everything is put back into place, and the rest of it can be bondoed, and the glass and everything can be replaced. But at least the main part of this is done, and just needs a little bit of Bondo and some sanding, and we'll be good to go.